everybody, this is the big egg hunt, and today we are going down Sloane Street. Yes, you can see all these eggs, they're all in one road, and it's excellent. I decided that we should rename this road from Sloane Street to Eggcellent Street, just because there is so many eggs in one road. If you agree, hit the like button for me, be much appreciated. If you don't agree, hit the like button as well, be more appreciated. So as you go down this road, there is some cracking eggs here. As you can see here, there's one that has an egg on it, which is amazing. An egg on an egg, yeah. But yeah, as you go down, there is some amazing artists that have done some amazing things to help this charity. Charity is Elephant Family. There'll be more info in the links down below of this event. Now it's over the Easter holidays. It's on for a couple more weeks. I filmed this like the first 2 days it came out. So yeah, I'm just a bit late getting some footage out just because I've been crazy busy. But I want to make sure that this footage gets out, and the dog's excited about this as well, apparently. But yeah, so yeah, make sure you get the app. You can track all the eggs you've seen, and the dog still wants a woof. Yeah, I think she wants you to download the app as well. If you get the app, you can see which ones you've done and which ones you haven't done, and where to go next. So yeah, crack on, get the app, get out there, have some fun. Till next time, ouch.